Hi guys, welcome back to our Topper Chef channel. Today we are going to make tofu with eggplant. For the tofu dish you're going to need is eggplant, ginger and garlic, mustard seeds along with cumin seeds. For the spices you're going to need turmeric, cumin and chili powder and small slices of Thai green chili to give it a kick. One mushroom, then some red, green and yellow bell peppers, onion, basil and yogurt. So this is what's going to make this tofu dish a very tasty dish. Okay, so what we're going to do for this tofu dish is I've cut my tofu in small pieces and just kept it there. So we're going to start with the eggplant first. Let the oil get hot and we got to temper it with, there you go, mustard and cumin seeds. Okay, so now my cumin and mustard has become nice and brown. With this I'm going to add my onion. Just move this around for maybe 1 minute or so. Okay, I'm going to add my chilies, my ginger garlic paste, and let it cook for another minute. To this I'm going to add my spices and some salt together with this. Okay, add a little water so you can cook all your spices very well. Okay, now with this I'm going to add my eggplant. Mix it properly because the eggplant is really going to shrivel. Okay, we just moved it around for some time. Now what we're going to do is add this mushroom. Mushroom will leave water and just shut it on low and let the eggplant cook for at least 5 minutes without letting it burn. Okay, so now it has been about 3 minutes. This is the eggplant is cooked. You don't want it very mushy, otherwise it's gonna just be mushy. This is just right for this tofu dish. To this I'm gonna add, for color, I'm gonna add some nice, beautiful looking, what do you call, peppers. It gives nice color plus crunch to it, so you don't want to overcook those peppers also. Give it another minute and then the magic will begin. Okay, so 1 minute is done. Now this is the main thing which will get this nice and saucy. This is the yogurt. You add it to this and just move it around in a very low temperature without breaking it. And to get sweetness to it, you're gonna add lots of basil to this. Instead of adding curry patta, this is the difference of making this dish. Okay, so I just move this around. Wow, it smells, the aroma is just great. Wow, look, we had this for 2 minutes and I was just looking for a soft and nice texture wherein the yogurt gets nice into the eggplant. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just spoon this over this nice and hot. You gotta spoon this over the tofu nicely. How much you want. And then what you can do is pop this in the toaster oven, or you can also microwave it. You have to microwave it so that the tofu can cook well. Voila, here's our eggplant with tofu. Enjoy this wonderful dish. Okay guys, so now to taste our tofu with eggplant. Wow, this is a very different, unique recipe. Very delicious, and it's a completely vegan recipe. If you like this recipe, give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow us on social media, and also subscribe to our topperchef.com blog. Happy cooking!